chapter inverse trigonometry, class 12. So let's start with the first question. The first question says, for the following questions, we need to find the principal values for the following questions. Let's start with the first part. Sine inverse minus half would be equal to minus sine inverse sine pi by 6. So the answer would be minus pi by 6. Okay. So you should remember that if minus sign is there inside sine inverse theta, then it would come as minus theta minus sine inverse sine theta whatsoever it is. मतलब minus sign बाहर आ जाएगा. That's the point that I want to explain to you. Let's move to the second part. Cos inverse root 3 by 2 cos पे कहाँ पे होता है? Root 3 by 2 is at pi by 6. So cos the answer would be pi by 6. Then we need to do for cosec inverse. Cosec inverse, we can write it as cosec pi by 2, pi by 6. The answer is again pi by 6. Hope this is clear. Now it's time for tan inverse. Tan inverse minus root 3 is equal to minus tan inverse tan pi by 6. Tan pi by 3, sorry. Tan pi by 3, root 3 is at 60 degrees, so it's pi by 3. The answer would be minus pi by 3. Hope it's clear to you. Let's move to cos inverse. Cos inverse minus half is equal to pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 3. So it would be pi minus pi by 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3. ठीक है, तो cos के केस में पाई माइनस cos इनवर्स हो जाता है अगर माइनस साइन अंदर हो तो. होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू. देन tan इनवर्स का केस तो हमें पता है, tan इनवर्स में बाहर आ जाता है. इट वुड बी tan pi by 4. इट वुड बी माइनस pi by 4. सो यू हाउ इजी इट इज टू फाइंड द प्रिंसिपल वैल्यूज. ठीक है. sec इनवर्स nothing to do, we need to just write the values. sec inverse sec pi by 6 पे होता है ये, so it would be pi by 6. root 2 root by 3 pi by 6 पे होता है sec की वैल्यू. तो आते ही वो सबको. then after this it's cot inverse root 3. cot inverse root 3 would be equal to cot inverse cot root 3 tan में होता है हमारा 60 डिग्री पे, तो cot होगा हमारा 30 डिग्री पे है. So it would be pi by 6. So the answer is pi by 6. Now we need to find again cos inverse minus 1 upon root 2. तो अब cos में अगर माइनस अंदर हो तो pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 4. So the answer would be 3 pi by 4. Hope it's clear to you. Let's move to the 10th part. The 10th part says cosec inverse minus root 2 is equal to minus cosec inverse cosec pi by 4. sin pi by 4 1 upon root 2 होता है तो cosec pi by 4 root 2 हो जाएगा. तो आपका आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? minus pi by 4 is your answer. Hope it's clear to you. Let's move to the 11th part. In the subsequent questions, we need to find the values of the following. Okay, let's move to the 11th part. 11th question. The 11th question says tan inverse 1 plus cos inverse minus half plus sin inverse minus half. So tan inverse, we can write it as tan pi by 4 प्लस cos के अंदर माइनस है तो ये हो जाएगा पाई माइनस cos इनवर्स cos पाई बाय 3 प्लस साइन के बाहर माइनस है तो माइनस साइन इनवर्स साइन पाई बाय 6. Now you can just simplify it. Pi by 4 plus pi minus pi by 3 minus pi by 6. You just need to simplify this, and I hope all of you can do that. That's a very quite an easy task. Let's move to the 12th question. We need to find the value of this cos inverse half plus 2 sin inverse half. Cos inverse cos pi by 3 plus 2 sin inverse sin pi by 6. So pi by 3 यहाँ से आ रहा है plus 2 into pi by 6 यहाँ से आ रहा है. So it's going to be 2 pi by 3 is your answer. As it would get cancelled, and it would pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Hope it's clear to you. Let's move to the 13th question. 13th question में आपको दे रखा है sin inverse x is equal to y. So option B matches with your answer according to the question. Okay. Sin inverse x is equal to y. So in right, y कहाँ पे lie करेगा? तो y will lie between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That is the range of sin inverse x. जो sin inverse x range होगी वहाँ पे y उनके बीच में lie करे. प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू रेंज या प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ब्रांच जो भी आप कह सकते हो, जो भी आप कमेंट करें. तो आंसर 14 है हमारे पास. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 है tan root 3 tan inverse root 3 minus sec inverse minus 2. Minus sign is there inside sec. It would be pi minus sec inverse sec pi by 3. So from here we are going to get pi by 3 minus pi by 3. So we are going to get pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. So you are going to get answer minus pi by 3. As it was an MCQ question, so option B is your correct answer. By this we come to an end of this video. In this video we have solved exercise 2.1 of inverse trigonometry. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you so much.